here again, more friendship. Hey, welcome to our channel. So now I'm going to introduce to you the food of my loving apo because he doesn't allow to eat the food that has a taste. So now I'm going to renovate the food of my apo because our fried fish is made of the cooking oil in the market. So since the oil using of my apo is butter, so I'm going to renovate it into a butter. So that's the way you used to be. And I'm already cooked the food of my sunshine apo. So I'm going to introduce to you the highlights of my video is the mashing bowl. Yeah, very affordable price than compared to current. So I'm not using anymore the blender because I find another way to to decrease the current. So this is it. So if you have Apo like this, you buy your Apo now, this bowl. Thank you for